Boys, and welcome to today's video. And today we have some Gran Turismo Sport, and this time we have the Citroën GT race car at the Red Bull Ring. So let's get straight into the skies. Okay guys, so this is a 10-minute endurance race in the wet, a bit slidey there, coming out of the final corner in 18th. Oh, bit of contact with the Volkswagen GT race car. Yeah, I just hit his left rear, and it just sent him going. He was like, he went to the right, which is unsurprising, because like if you have like imagine like a piece of wood, and it's like it's a strip of wood. It's right in front of you, and it's like sideways. And if you like hit one side of it, the other side is going to come at you. Like imagine a piece of, like if it's just like that, and then you hit one side, the other side is going to come like that. So that's what happened with the Volkswagen. It's like pretty much the same thing, except it's like an actual car. So it's like interesting. But anyway, we have another Citroën GT race car that we're just gonna go past. This is a nice livery. This car is insane. Like, look at this area, like the rear wing and everything. It just looks absolutely amazing, especially in the wet. Like, just you've got all puddles of water, and it really looks nice. Especially like you have the French flags as well on the rear. That's funny. Does look very good. But anyway, we are in 11th place. So if we overtake this Ferrari, we will be in the top 10. So let's see if we can try and do anything. We're gaining, like right behind him. Bit of a slide. There is a huge puddle of water on the left there. But we're going to go up the inside. No, actually, technically, that was like kind of round the outside, really, because we were just coming out of that corner there. So I don't really know. Anyway, we're posting lots of best sectors as we overtake the Lamborghini Huracan GT3. Big slide, full on sideways coming out of the almost the final corner. This is the final corner, the corner before the last corner, but now we're out of the top 10. After that big slide, side by side with the Ferrari coming into turn 1. Can we go around the outside? Yes. He's quite slow, really. I do like the yellow headlights. We have 6 minutes to go. I didn't post the fastest lap of the race, but that is because of that big slide. I think that was just slowed me down. I lost 3 positions. A lot of spray. apparently like racing cars, like when they go over water, they just disperse 350 liters or something of water like every second, which is just ridiculous. Like, oh, big slide into the gravel. These wet tires are getting a bit worn, and I'm not really surprised because I'm all over the place into the Ford Mustang, who's really slow. I'm going to push him out the way just a bit, but just struggling to keep the car going straight. Oh, just like, I just can't, like, in the dry it's really easy to get speed, but big slide there. In the wet it's just like you're sliding all over the place. Bit of a slide coming out the final corner there. It's just absolute chaos, really. But we've gotten back into the top 10. I'm constantly having to overtake these cars. I've now pushed the Supra off the track, but it wasn't my fault because it just, the wet is so slippery. Like, mistakes just happening left, right, and centre. I'm going really slow out of that corner there. That's like one of, if not the slowest corner. You got someone, like, someone is still, like, he's really far behind in last. The guy in last is, like, miles behind the field. Like, he's just nowhere near the field. But 0.2 of a second slower than the fastest time. Not bad considering it's just complete rain. Like, some drivers are like actually good in the rain. I am absolutely terrible in the rain. I'm much better in the dry because I just feel like there's so much more grip and just, it's just better, really. That, like, in the wet there's just no grip. It's just awful. Anyway, we've got 0.5 of a lap of fuel. I think we're just gonna stop there. Yep. Right behind the Nissan. Oh, the guy in last was a Corvette. I don't know why he put his indicators on there, the Nissan. But anyway, we're just gonna breeze past. And the BMW M6s, they're not in the lead anymore. It's the Huracan GT3. I was ahead of him. We've got 2 minutes to go until the end of the race. 2 laps of fuel, which is just perfect. Oh, bit of a slide into the massive puddle. That was like a huge puddle. Yeah, today I went to the cinema and there was like, there's like a river just next to the cinema, and I guess you guys can work out what's gonna happen next. What I'm gonna say. It was absolutely flooded. There, like, literally, it just, like, because the car park, that it's like, it was just, it wasn't like, it's like there's a part of it that's like lower down than the other part, and then like that lower down part is right next to the river, so it just means that the river can just like put water into the car park, and it's just it was just completely flooded. Like, it was like you would need it. It was like you needed a boat to cross it. Um, but anyway, we have 20 seconds to go, and we have just posted. Sorry, pasted isn't a word, but 10 seconds to go. So it means that this is, without question, the final lap of the race, because it is physically impossible to get to the checkered flag now. Big slide. I'm facing the wrong way, and now all oncoming cars gonna hit me. Oh, now I'm down to 6th. I was in 3rd. That is just really annoying. Oh, that would have been awful. I mean, just good. I just can't speak today. That's like the Vantage was just like braking as he was going along, but it wasn't. Right, we got up to 4th, which is good. Can we get past the Nissan GTR? I don't think so. We're gonna have probably a big slide. No. Oh, big slide coming out the front. Oh, I'm sideways. I'm round. No, it's all gone. Oh, and the Vantage has hit me. Right, can we get back? We're in the top 10. Can we get... Oh, no, the Supra's got past and the Mustang. We're going to defend for 12th. That was awful. I had a big slide coming out the final corner. I just couldn't save it, and I just span. And then if it wasn't bad enough, the Vantage just completely drove straight into me. Like, that was very annoying. Okay, guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.